This is the Robotzoo Balmain Bug 1 pool cleaner. It has a smartphone app that can be used to program the device specifically to the type of pool being cleaned. In this case, it's a large rectangular lap pool within an apartment complex. The size of the pool is 22 metres long by 8 metres wide. That's quite a bit larger than the average backyard swimming pool. We've programmed it as having a sloped floor, even though the floor is quite flat on this pool. Let's see how it goes. Here it is on the starting blocks, ready to dive in. Turn it on and throw it in. Off it runs all the way to the other end in one go, moving at a speed of 11 meters per minute. And the swimmers are oblivious to its presence. The device is 40 centimeters wide, and its cleaning footprint is around 30 centimeters. That's 3.3 square meters cleaned per minute, or nearly 300 square meters during its 90-minute cleaning cycle. That's not bad when you consider that this big pool has 175 square meters of floor area. And, by the way, we programmed it not to climb the walls for this demonstration, in case anyone was wondering. Obviously, it's going to run over the same spots more than once. And this pool is about 3 times bigger than what the Balmain Bug was designed for. But it seems very happy to go the full breadth and width of the pool. A cordless, battery-powered pool cleaner with lots of stamina that can be programmed for the specific shape and size of almost any pool. That's something you don't see every day. That's the Robotzoo Balmain Bug.